High school family, today we are going to read our book, Hello, Goodbye, Farm Animals. All right, can everybody turn the page? Let's see. We're gonna sing. Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm to say hello, hi to the animals. Ooh, who is this? Did you hear it? Who is it? It's a pig. You're right. Pig says hello like this. Oink, oink, oink. Hello, pig. Pig says goodbye like this. Oink, oink, goodbye, pig. Bye. Let's see, who's next? Can you turn the page? Who could this be? Whoa. Did you hear that? It's a cow. Cow says hello like this. Moo, moo, moo. Hello, cow. Cow says goodbye like this. Moo, moo, goodbye, cow. Bye. See you later. Who's next? Who could this be? It's a horse, you're right. A horse. Horse says hello like this. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Hello, horse. Horse says goodbye like this. Neigh, neigh, goodbye, horse. Bye, horse. See you later. We have a few animals left to say hello and goodbye to. Who could this be? Ooh, do you hear that? I think it's some chickens. Yeah, chickens. Chicken says hello like this. Bark, bark, bark. Hello, chickens. Chicken says goodbye like this. Bark, bark. Goodbye, chickens. Bye-bye. See you later. Oh, we have one more animal to say hello to. Who could it be? Oh my, who is this? It's a sheep. Yeah. Sheep says hello like this. Ba, ba, ba. Hi, sheep. Hello. Sheep says goodbye like this. Ba, ba. Goodbye, sheep. Bye. See you later. That's it. All right. We took a walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. We took a walk around the farm now. Goodbye, animals. Bye-bye. If you want to stay on, listen to these sounds and see if you can point to who makes them. Who says hello and goodbye like this? Baba? You're right, it's a sheep. Okay, let's see. Who is next? Who says hello and goodbye like this? Moo. It's a cow. Yeah? All right. How about this one? Neigh, neigh. Hi, horse. Yeah, that's who's saying that noise. Who could this be? Oink, oink, oink. It's a pig. And one more. Who says hello and goodbye like this? Bark, bark, bark. It's a chicken. Yep. Hello, chickens. And now goodbye, animals. Thanks for reading with me.